Many teams face underperformance and low morale, often stemming from a lack of trust. This invisible chasm grows with each misunderstanding and missed deadline, undermining teamwork and productivity. Acknowledging this is the first step towards change. Trust is the cornerstone of high performing teams. Without it, collaboration crumbles, leaving a trail of isolation and fragmentation. The impact of distrust is tangible. Decreased performance and eroded morale lead to skepticism rather than cooperation. Yet, this challenge presents an opportunity to mend connections and bridge the gaps caused by distrust. As we explore trust building activities, remember their transformative potential. Skepticism is natural, but so is the capacity for change, paving the way for resilient, cohesive teams. Transitioning to the solution, we focus on trust building. Envision a realm where barriers fall and understanding blooms. Through well designed exercises, teams embark on a transformative journey towards open communication and shared trust. These activities extend beyond the confines of a meeting room, unfolding in settings that encourage vulnerability and dialogue, from tranquil retreats to interactive workshops. Participants become the architects of their team's evolution, taking progressive steps towards mutual trust. This journey is marked by shared experiences, as one participant revealed. It was in that moment of true listening I grasped my colleagues' long uncommunicated thoughts. Such testimonials underscore the impact of these exercises on team dynamics. The essence of trust building is not in the activities themselves, but in the spaces they create for open exchanges and ensuing understanding. These exercises are more than methods, they're the pathways to a trust rich culture. Witness the transformation as once fragmented teams, now bound by trust and cooperation, showcase their newfound unity. Stay engaged as we reveal the profound changes fostered by these trust building endeavors. In this transformative journey, we've seen teams evolve from entanglement in distrust to embodiments of unity and strength. Through open communication and enhanced trust, they've dismantled barriers that hindered creativity, ushering in an era of vibrant collaboration and shared success. Unified testimonials highlight trust as the transformative keystone, with trust building exercises enabling teams to not just rely on, but uplift each other, manifesting in significantly improved performance. This remarkable metamorphosis, evidenced through the contrast between before and after, attests to the enduring influence of trust exercises. Let this serve as inspiration to all striving for unbreakable team bonds. The journey from skepticism to collective empowerment underscores the potential within the spirit of trust. The time to embrace this transformative power is now.